If your hair gets a lot of heat, styling, or just feels dry, let me introduce you to the Argan Oil Shampoo. This was gifted to me by the brand, and this product is all about getting your hair clean while still helping to maintain moisture. One of the main ingredients in this is Moroccan argan oil, which is known for its moisturizing and nourishing properties. It's designed to help with hair that might be feeling dry, brittle, or damaged, especially if you're regularly using things like a blow dryer, a flat iron, or other heat tools. We all know those things damage our hair. This may be able to help. This shampoo also contains aloe, and we know that aloe is known for being hydrating and soothing. So in a shampoo like this, it can help support moisture for both the hair and the scalp while you're cleansing. And I think that's an important distinction because sometimes you find a shampoo that gets your hair really clean, but afterward your hair feels almost too clean, like it's been completely stripped of everything. This one is designed to remove the dirt, the excess oil, and the buildup, but still leave your hair feeling soft and refreshed. And I really, really appreciate that this formula is silicone and paraben free, which is a plus for me because those are things that I've been trying to remove from my hair for a while now. And even though this has those moisturizing ingredients like argan oil and aloe, it's designed to rinse clean without leaving behind a greasy residue. So you're still getting that fresh, clean hair feeling, but your hair isn't going to feel weighed down or anything. So if you're dealing with dryness, frequent heat styling, or sun exposure, this argan oil shampoo is designed to cleanse away that dirt and oil, but still leave your hair feeling soft and refreshed. And one thing I really like about this formula, let me show you on the back. It lists out all of the things that are not in this formula and then all of the things that are. So the things we don't want, the things we do want. So if you've been looking for a shampoo to hydrate and moisturize your hair, I would definitely check this one out.